Hai, video ini akan dimulai dalam 5 detik lagi. So, subscribe sekarang di bawah bagi yang belum. Go, 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 Power Rangers. Thank you so much. Thank you. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hello guys, welcome back to my video and thanks for watching. Okay, don't forget give me a like, comment and subscribe. In this section I will discuss about oil pump in internal combustion engine. Let's start. Oil pump. The oil pump in internal combustion engine circulates engine oil under pressure. The rotating bearings, the sliding piston, and the camshaft of the engine. This lubrication of bearing allow the use high capacity fluid bearing and also assist in cooling the engine, as well as a primary purpose for lubrication. Pressure oil increasingly uses the hydraulic fluid to power small actuator. One the first notable use in this way was the hydraulic tappet in camshaft and valve actuation. Increasingly common recent use might include the tensioner for timing belt and variators for variable valve timing system. Pump of the used varies: gear pumps, trochoid pumps, and fan pumps. All commonly used plunger pumps have been used in the past, but these are now only used rarely for small engines. Avoid need for priming. The pump is always mounted low and down, either submerged around the level of the some short pickup pipe with a simple wire mesh strainer reached in the bottom of the sump. And next, pump drive. For simplicity and reliability, mechanical pumps are used driven and mechanical gear trains for the crankshaft. Reduction pump speed if the beneficial, and so it is usual to drive the pump from the cam or distributor shaft, which turn and the engine speed. Placing of the oil pump blow down use near vertical drive shaft, driven by helical skew gears from the camshaft. Some engines. For reliability, it is rare to use external drive machines or mechanism. Each other spare part drive or external gears, although camshaft drive pumps often rely the same time belt to engines during turning. Electric oil pumps are not used. Again, the reliability, some turbo timer electric auxiliary oil pump are sometimes fitted to box change engine. These are a second oil pump that load charger for some minutes, which it cools down. There are supplementary pumps and not replace the main mechanical oil pumps. Next, lubrication system. The oiling system addresses the need to properly lubricate an engine when it's running. Properly lubricating an engine not only reduces friction between moving parts, but it's also the main method by which heat removal from pistons. The oil pump forces the motor oil Though the passengers is the engine to properly distribute oil to different engine components in common oiling system. Oil is drawn of the oil sump or oil pan in use in this. The awareness trainer we remove the large piece of the debris from the oil. The the flow made by the oil pump allows the vehicle distribute around the engine. In this system, oil following duct, oil filter, and sometimes an oil cooler. Before going to engines, oil patients, and being distributed, lubricate, piston ring, spring, valve system, and more. And next, oil pressure. The oil pressure generated in most engines should be about 10 psi per every 1000 revolution per minute, peaking around 55 to 65 psi. Local pressure is far higher than 50.60 psi and C set by the pump relief valve and will reach 100 of psi. This higher pressure is the development by reacting speed in the per second, not rpm or journal size. Directly, the crankshaft journal discern again the bearing with oil viscosity and temperature balance again, and the bearing clearance in like red. Oil pump pressure does fill in the hole and refresh on the oil the annular space faster than the leak. Examples: this why low speed engines have relatively large journals with only modest pump size and pressure. Low pressure indicate the leakage from the bearing is higher and the pump delivery rate. Gauge pressure, the oil pressure at the pump outlet with is what opens the pressure relief valve. This simply the resistance, the flow, cost, the bearing clearance and restriction. The oil pressure gauge of warning lamp give only the pressure at the point where its center and that of the part pressurized system, not everywhere, not average, not a generalized and picture of the system pressure. Okay guys, is it the last? And thanks for watching my video, and see you the next video, and don't forget for give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and see you.